How to redeem rewards from your Bank of America credit cards. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to redeem rewards from Bank of America credit cards. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. First of all, open up your Bank of America application. Once you have done that, simply log into your Bank of America's online banking. Once you are logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this. Here, you will have to tap on My Rewards tab. Now select the credit card from your list of rewards. Now after that, simply tap on the option View/Redeem. Now in the reward summary page, you have to tap on the option Redeem and you will also be able to see the amount of reward you have. So currently I have $175 as a reward. So in order to redeem it, simply tap on the option Redeem. Now tap on the option OK. If you want, you can redeem all of the amount of your reward. If you don't want, then you can simply enter the amount you want to redeem. For now, I will only redeem $50. Now once you have done that, click on this cross icon right over here. After that, slide to redeem. Once you have done that, you will have successfully redeemed your credit card rewards. So that's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.